Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about this gorgeous unit that I did purchase with my own coins from Upretty Hair. I'm so upset guys that I do not have the clip of me actually unboxing this. I looked everywhere for it, but it somehow got deleted. But I will put the link to this wig in the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase. Okay, so the first things first, we are going to go ahead and bleach the knots because it did not come pre-bleached. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I just went ahead and mixed some developer and some bleaching powder, just normal. Made sure that it's a thick enough consistency to where it's not runny, but you don't want it too thick either. You want it to actually bleach the knots. So yeah, just make sure that it's not too thick and not too thin. So I'm just taking my brush and making sure that I am getting every single knot, every single part of that lace where there are knots on the lace, okay? Okay, so this is how it's looking after I have finished applying all of the bleach all over the lace where the knots are. And I want to say that I did a pretty good job. I don't believe that it actually penetrated or went through the lace and onto the actual hair strands. So yeah, I think I did a pretty damn good job. So I let this sit for around 5 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and rinsed it out. And this is how the knots are looking like. It looks gorgeous. Perfect. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mold it, apply my mousse, section it off and make sure that I have that nice clean middle part. Now I did not have to pluck this hair, not one bit. The hairline is perfect, as you guys can see. Well, it's actually perfect for my liking. Maybe some people would like the hairline to be a little bit fuller. Maybe they want it to be a little less hair, but the hairline, in my opinion, was perfect. So now I'm just applying my mousse. I am defining the curls because the curls are popping, okay? I probably didn't even need to apply mousse, but I just did it just, for video purposes. Look at the hair. Look at the curls. The curls are popping. The hair is beautiful. It is soft. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the length. This is a 28-inch 13 by 6 lace front wig. Okay, again, the link to the hair will be in the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase. But y'all, just look at the curls. Like, I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not getting any type of shedding, no tangling, nothing. So now it's time for me to install the wig. Now I do have 2 caps on. One cap, the cap underneath, that is the cap that I just put on just for extra security. And the cap on top is obviously the cap for the bald cap method. This is the glue that I will be using. All of the products that I'll be using today will be on my Amazon storefront. That link will be in the description box below. Okay, I'm going to be applying 2 layers of glue, of course, letting each layer dry, and then I will be applying the wig. By the time I got done applying the glue to the second side, which is this side that I'm doing right now, the first side on my right hand side, the glue was already dry. So this glue dries pretty fast, because by the time I was done with the second layer and I was ready to put on my wig, the glue was already dry. Like, it wasn't tacky or anything. So I would definitely say, if you guys are going to be using this glue, definitely work quickly. I didn't even need to use that blow dryer because yeah, it dried pretty fast. So you guys will see that I have to go in with my right here. I put way too much glue. But you guys will see in the next clip, I had to use some wig adhesive spray from Evan because the glue just dried too quick. It wasn't even tacky or anything. So yeah, definitely work quickly when using this glue. It's time to put her on, guys. So I did not have any tinting spray, so I had to do it the old-fashioned way and just put on some makeup on the lace. Okay, and so I'm just applying the wig now. So I'm just lining up that part, making sure that it is directly in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my ear tabs because we don't need that lace to be lying over our ears. Like, what? So we're going to cut those out. I am going to be cutting the lace and applying the wig in sections. So I will cut them in 3. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the lace. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. You guys can continue watching this video. I have a bunch of detailed wig install videos on my channel. I will put some videos in the description box so you guys can check it out. And this is what I'm talking about, where I had to apply more or I had to use the wig adhesive spray because that glue, baby, it was just dry. It was completely dry. So yeah, again, work quickly with this. And so I could have just used the adhesive spray by itself, but the install turned out pretty great. So yeah, just keep on watching. Now I know y'all see I'm getting better with these baby hairs because baby, I struggled, but I'm getting better. So now I'm just gonna apply some makeup to this lace. I probably didn't need to. Now that I'm watching this video back, I really did not need any type of makeup. The makeup made it look a little too fake, but I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, I applied makeup to the lace, which I didn't need to, but I did anyway. Then I went ahead and took that melting band again, let that lace melt a little bit more. While that lace was melting, I took my spray bottle because I realized that throughout the install there were some hairs that were starting to frizz up a little bit. So I just wanted to spray it down, wet it down a little bit more, so it has that nice wet look. And then I took my hot comb and I laid down that front part a little bit more, hot combed it so that middle part can be nice and flat. And then that's basically it. So I really love this hair. Again, this is the Upretty 28-inch wet and wavy. I believe it's wet and wavy. If not, I'm mistaken. I will go ahead and put the link again in the description box down below. This is where it reaches. It's literally touching my butt, y'all. 28 inches. I'm 4'11". It's touching my butt. I like this wig. I give it a 10 out of 10. Link is in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Always remember to stay beautiful. Bye, guys.